Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace speakers in a Hyundai Santa Fe. First, let's prepare for the task. You'll need a few basic tools, including a trim removal kit, a screwdriver set, and a socket wrench. Make sure your new speakers are the correct size for your vehicle, typically 6½ inches for the doors. Before starting any work, always disconnect your car's negative battery terminal to ensure safety and prevent any electrical shorts. This crucial first step protects both you and your vehicle's electronics. Now that you're prepared, let's get to removing the old speakers. Begin by gently prying off the door panel. Use a plastic trim removal tool to avoid scratching your car's interior. Once the panel is loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors attached to it, such as those for window switches. You'll then see the old speaker. Unscrew it from its mounting points, usually 3 or 4 screws, and then disconnect the wiring harness. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wires. With the old speakers out, it's time to install your new ones. First, connect the new speaker to the existing wiring harness. You might need an adapter harness if the connectors don't match directly. Next, carefully place the new speaker into the mounting bracket and secure it with screws. Ensure it's snug and doesn't rattle. Finally, reattach the door panel. Make sure all clips align and snap into place, and reconnect any electrical connectors you detached earlier. Test the window and door lock functions. You're almost done. Reconnect your car's negative battery terminal. Turn on your car and test the new speakers with your favorite music. Listen for clear sound and ensure there are no buzzing or rattling noises. Adjust your car's audio settings like bass and treble to optimize the sound quality for your new speakers. If everything sounds great, you've successfully replaced your Hyundai Santa Fe speakers. Check the description for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your enhanced audio experience on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.